We have released a new software update for the motion kit. We have been working for the last 3 months on this new update, and we have achieved to introduce some major improvements on the system. Now the SliderPLUS app has a completely improved new and better time-lapse setup screen. Now you can specify the interval time and total frame count in the time-lapse setup screen, giving you full advanced controls over your time-lapse setup. With the new update, we're also introducing Time-lapse 2.0 to the SliderPLUS. Time-lapse 2.0 gives you the option like motion warper and time warper. With the time warper, you can change the speed of time in your time-lapse video without changing the speed of your camera action. And with the motion warper, you can change the speed of your camera motion without affecting the speed of time. You can also combine these two things and achieve never before seen results in the time-lapse world. Our time-lapse improvements doesn't stop at that. Now you can actually convert your multi-target slide shots into a time-lapse shot. This way you will be able to deliver never before seen things to your audience. The improved new application also gives you the record feature. With the record feature, you can just press record and then do your action, and you will see that the SliderPLUS repeats it for you automatically. And with just one tap of a button, you can also convert this shot into a time-lapse shot. Another great new feature in the application is the go-to mode. With the go-to mode, you can actually assign positions to your targets. So with just single press of a button, you can send your camera to a new position and to a new target. The new app also helps you shoot much better multi-target shots with the anti-parallax notifications. These new indicators shows you which targets are at the opposite direction of your motion. So by avoiding pressing on them, you always keep your camera moving to a single direction and get perfect multi-target slide shots. The updates are not limited to the ones I've just mentioned. There are even more improvements on the system, like better battery notifications, better speed notifications, improved acceleration and deceleration profiles, and much more. Make sure you update your software to the latest version and take advantage of these amazing new features as soon as possible.